Hello, this is Patrick at OneCNCWest, and I hope you guys are having a great week and all is well. What I'd like to do in this video is I'd like to talk about a file format that many of you may not be aware of, and it's an extremely useful file format. Now, this file format provides the ability to take a part that's created in a newer version of OneCNC and load that exact same part into an earlier version of OneCNC. Alright, so let me give you an example. Here we have a part file. It's just a simple solid model, and we've applied some different toolpaths to this. Now, for whatever reasons, let's say that I'd like to take this model into an earlier version of OneCNC. I happen to be using OneCNC XR9 for this video, but let's say we want to take this file and load it into OneCNC XR5. Well, you can't just save it as a OneCNC file. You can't just, for example, come up here and say File, Save As, and use the default extension OneCNC. However, if you click, there is a file format called Classic CAD. The Classic CAD format's very useful in a couple of different ways. For example, I'm going to use Classic CAD and we'll click Save. Alright, now what that's done is it's saved this geometry file, not the toolpath, but the geometry, as a neutral file format, which means it can be loaded in essentially every version of OneCNC. Now, it does strip the toolpath, the machining operations, out of the file, and that's because machining operations change over different versions, so these updated toolpaths are not going to be compatible with the older toolpaths. So let's open up OneCNC XR5. And if we head up here to open, and we'll take a look inside of our brake housing folder, there's our file, brake housing CAD. So if I just double click that, the file now loads into OneCNC XR5, and I now have access to this geometry in an earlier version of OneCNC. Don't forget, you can still get the OneCNC MasterClass at a 65% discount using coupon code OneCNC65. The OneCNC MasterClass hyperlink is located within the video description. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.